Hello everyone and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 125. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 4. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 5. 4 here, so 3, 5. 5 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got the 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 9. We've got 1, 3, and 6 here, so this is our 9. That 3 and 6 makes this our 1. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 6. And if our 4 can't be here, it must be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 5, 6. 5 and 8 here, so 2, 6. And no help here. 2, 5, 6, 8. But if we look now, the only place the 8 can be in that column is here. And now the only place the 5 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. And if the 1 can't be here, it must be here. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 4. That 4 makes this our 5, 7, and that 5 makes this our 3, 4. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 2, 6, 2, 6, 2, 6. And to finish off this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.